Can one thrifted piece transform an entire room?
I just moved into this home built in 1970, and I'll be honest, there's some really rough areas, but it also has amazing bones. Around here, I'm known for creating timeless looks on a tight budget. I love taking what feels outdated or overlooked and turning it into something beautiful. Here's the twist. Every room we transform starts with a thrifted find. I'll head to the thrift store, find one piece that sparks an idea, and bring it home. I'll let that one affordable find lead the makeover of the entire room. Sometimes it works exactly like I hoped, and sometimes we have to figure it out along the way. There's no perfect plan, just one piece and seeing where it takes us. Some ideas work beautifully, some need adjusting, and some teach us what we do different next time. This isn't about rushing or getting everything right the first time. It's about learning how to turn a dated home into something timeless and without overspending. If you're working with an older home, if you're on a real budget, or if you've ever felt unsure where to start, you are in the right place. This is the Flipper's Guide. I'm Autumn, and I'm here to guide you. Let's take the first step and grow our confidence one project at a time. Let's learn as we go together.